Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download files from Dropbox. So for this, first of all, open up your Dropbox app. As you open up your Dropbox app, besides the home button, you can see that there's a button that says files. So when you tap on files, you will reach an interface that will show you all the files that you've currently uploaded to your Dropbox. Now, if you want to download a particular file, you can just tap on the three dots below a particular file name. So I'm going to tap on this. And then here you can see that you have numerous options available. Amongst that, you can simply tap on share and then tap on export file. Now, when you tap on export file, you have numerous options available. You can send it as a message, WhatsApp, Gmail, anything, Viber, anything. But you also have options below to either print it or to open it or to save to files. So since I want this to be in my phone, I want to save to files. And then I can just simply add it to my iCloud drive. And then when I go and check my files, here you can see that my file has already been uploaded. So this is how you can simply save any file in your Dropbox to your phone. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.